How to clean SuperMix cache on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clean SuperMix cache on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click these three lines in the top corner, and here click settings, and then just click uh, this one here, clean storage, and here we'll find the SuperMix cache. Just select it, turn everything off and then select it, and here we'll find the clean, click on it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.